how to fix Elementor editor not loading. So what we want to do is open up the WordPress dashboard. Now I'm going to show you three methods. So for the first one, we want to hover over Elementor, go to settings. Here we will go to the advanced tab and change this switch editor loader method, change it from disable to enable. Scroll down and simply save your changes. If you're still having issues, the second method is going to plugins. Go to installed plugins. Here we just want to highlight all of our plugins. For bulk actions, go to update and then click on apply, and this will update all of your plugins. Now that was the second method, and for the last method we will need a file manager here. So from the plugins, click on add new plugin and we will just search for file manager. And you can get this one, advanced file manager. I already have it right here. So after you have installed and activated it from this screen, we'll just refresh our page and it is going to look like this. So click on file manager. Now here find the wordpress-config.php file, right click on it and then edit code. And here we just want to find the 78 line of code, or 79. So define WordPress memory limit. Here you want to change it to 512 megabytes. So that's basically how you do it. Then you click on save and close, and this should fix your issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.